Hey Brew Crew, welcome back to another edition of the Weekend Update. Let me quickly go over what I'm seeing in the indices, then I do want to save a couple of minutes at the end to go over a couple of tickers I'm looking at for the coming week. So let's get into it. SPX, kind of stalling out here, feels like it's just having a very hard time reaching that all-time high. Like, look at this entire past week just rounding out, and it's even more apparent when we switch over to the profile on the ES. I have the past 8 trading sessions shown here. You see how value areas have been basically overlapping to up? More bullish situations would have value areas that gap up throughout the move, not overlapping. And see how over here is starting to round off? So definitely wouldn't say this is very bullish. I mean, the trend is still up until proven otherwise, but I'm just calling out what I'm seeing here. I'm not calling a top here, just I'd be cautious going along anything in the long term. Gotta be very selective in that regard. NDX just hang out sideways. We have trendline support coming up along with the 20 MA. Bears want to see price break below that to initiate any bearish positions, but for now, this is holding trend nicely. Rut. This is actually, I think, the most bullish looking of all. You have kind of a bull flag forming here with a very tight consolidation range. Keep an eye out on the breakout above this to initiate any longs. And just very quickly, I want to take a look at a couple of names I'm thinking about. First is Zillow. On Friday, we had a nice pullback to the previous breakout level. I think if we form a swing low here, depending on how we close on Monday, I'd be looking to trade this to the top of this range. So something targeting the 85 area. I might front run it too, like initiate bullish positions at the open tomorrow instead of waiting for the close. But if I do that, I'd definitely be making sure I'm paying nothing for the trade. I'm thinking something like a call ratio financed by puts or some kind of a ratio calendar over the next couple of weeks. Apple. This one is one of the stocks with relative strength. If NASDAQ does make new highs this week, I like this to the upside, targeting the 470 to 490 range. Obviously, because the market's just having a hard time grinding higher, I'd be looking to probably put on some call ratios or butterflies targeting that zone for close to zero debit. And that's pretty much it for the weekend update. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below, and feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. But for now, stay safe, Brew Crew, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.